My name is Muhammad Adil, and I would like to talk about the Kafue Lechwe. The Kafue Lechwe, which is scientifically known as Cobus vardoni, is a unique species of antelope found primarily in the Kafue Flats in central Zambia. It is a relatively large semi-aquatic antelope, well adapted to life in wetlands and grasslands. It's often found near lakes, swamps, and floodplains. The species is known for its distinctive reddish-brown coat and long, slender legs, which are suited for navigating the marshy terrain in inhabits. Kafue lechwe are herbivore and primarily graze on grasses, but they also feed on aquatic plants. They are highly social animals, typically seen in large herds, which can number in the hundreds, especially during the rainy season when food and water are abundant. These herds are often composed of females and their young, with males usually being solitary or forming smaller bachelor groups. The main reason for this study is first, to examine the habitat and distribution, and second is to understand the behavior and social structure of the Kafue lechwe.
In the wild, Kafue liquid typically form mixed herds primarily consisting of female and their youngs, along with a few dominant male. These herds can number in the hundreds, especially during the wet season when the food resources are abundant. The social structure is flexible with no strict hierarchy beyond maternal bond between mother and their offspring. The social dynamic of Kafue liquid are influenced by seasonal flooding in their habitats. As water level changes, herd may shift location to grieve on available vegetation, maintaining proximity to water sources while adapting to the changes of landscape. Meanwhile, in captive environments such as zoo, Kafue may be kept in smaller groups compared to the wild counterparts. This can lead to altered social interaction and dynamic due to limited space and resources. Limited space and vegetation can lead to the stress-related behavior or health issue that not typically observed in the wild population. In captivity, social hierarchy are become less defined due to fewer males being present or due to human management practices that alter the natural interactions.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Aiman bin Baharim. In the wild, Kafue use vocalization like bleats and grunts to alert the herd of predators or to call during mating. Body language such as head tilts and tail flicks help maintain social order and signal dominance or submission. These behaviors are shaped by the vast landscape they inhabit, where long-distance communication is essential. In captivity, communication changes. With no predator and limited spaces, vocalization often decreases. While other stress-induced behavior like pacing may emerge. Social signal like grooming or play fighting may also diminish due to smaller group sizes. However, interaction with humans introduce new dynamics as Leku may respond to feeding routines and caretaker movement.
Territoriality is a monopolization of space by an individual or group, which used by animal to compete and distribute resources. Besides, the animal can employ a variety of signals and actions to establish their territory. In the wild, Kafue exhibit distinct territorial behaviors, especially during the mating season. Males establish territories that can span several hectares, marked by scent marking and vocalization. These territories are crucial for attracting females and deterring rival males. They engage in displays of strength such as bounding and snorting to assert dominance. The seasonal flooding of your habitat plays a significant role in this behavior, as it influences the availability of food space, prompting males to adapt their territories based on environmental conditions. In captivity, the territorial instinct of Kafue Lechwe can manifest differently. Limited space often leads to increased competition among males, which may result in aggressive interactions. Captive environments can mitigate some natural behaviors, as the lack of expansive territories can lead to stress or altered social dynamics. However, providing ample space and environmental enrichment can help replicate their natural behaviors, enabling them to express their territorial instinct more comfortably.
Alright, so in conclusion, understanding the behavioral of Kafue Lechwe between both wild and captive is crucial for the conservation efforts. Their social structure and communication are critical to their existence and demonstrate how successfully they adapt to their surroundings. Although it is best for the animal to live in a wild environment, captivity in zoo plays an important role as one and only contributor towards the preservation of biodiversity and protection of these endangered species.